All right, the next one is the 2-pole run. This is a bunch of left-handed U-turns, but tighter, and I like them because you have to shoot to the outside. All right, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. So familiarize around these 2 cones. So basically a 360. Head and eye movement, look to the outside cone. 3, we go around this, a little U-turn. Here we go. All right, so we already got some strategy here. So what we really want to do is turn that head, turn the handlebars, and counterweight. So let's do that for the warm-up. So I'm gonna really turn my head on this 360 and really counterweight. I even scraped some peg there. A little too much lean, not enough counterweight. So that's what that happens is if you start to put your foot down or you feel like you need to, guess what? You didn't do enough counterweight. All right, so 12, I don't like it. So maybe a little less lean or maybe more counterweight on that. Let's do that. Shoot out to the outside. Look where you want to go. There we go. What is that person doing? All right, 10.5. Hey, pretty good. I love this exercise. It's a lot of fun. You really practice your left-handed U-turns. But now we're going to do the bootlace, which is a figure 8.